Hello and welcome to Crafty Craft at Sky Alice Jessie, and thank you so much for taking time out to click onto my channel. Well, today we're going to decorate a soap dispenser that's gone a bit worn. I've already sprayed the dispenser bit. Now I'm going to decorate the body of the soap dispenser. So what you will need is some glue. I've already plugged it in, and I'm going to use my favourite item, which is diamante border. I've got 4 which I've already cut to size. So let's get started. So you see here it is. It's got a bit worn, and I've got my lovely 4 pieces of diamante border. So all I need to do now is add a little bit of glue, not too much, because it can get quite gooey. So we're just going to put some glue on a few parts of the diamante border, pick it up and place it here near the top. Keep holding it and slowly press it on. Add in a bit more glue just in case you might need some. So I'm going to need a little bit more glue at the back. So I'm just going to pump a little bit more on and then press it on. A little bit's come off there. So we're going to just press that on to the top. There we go. And we'll just add a little bit more glue. And then we're going to hold it and just turn it around, pressing it right onto the body. So that's number 1. So that looks good already. So we're going to take the next one and do the same. This diamante border I've got is quite multicolored, but obviously you can use whatever colour you want. And I'm going to stick that at the bottom, right at the end there. So let's press that right down. Get that right down there. Make sure that it's touching the bottom of it. I've also got some baby wipes to remove some of the glue, because that can get quite hot. So see, if it's too high, just move it down a bit. Then we're going to take the third one and do exactly the same by adding a little bit of glue downwards, just at the back, and then we're going to place it around a bit, because we're just around here. We're going to have a little gap in between, so we have some of the white showing, because I was going to bling the whole lot, but I thought it looked better when it's got a little bit of the white showing. So that looks lovely already. I'm really pleased with that already. So now with this last but not least, we're going to add this diamante border. So it's going to be in between both, leaving a little bit of the white showing. Just in between. This one's a bit bigger, and then these two are going to be a little bit smaller. So let's get some glue on there. I love the way you can just change up things without having to buy. This is a diamante border, and I get them from eBay, and they're very cheap. So we're going to just place that in between the last two, like that. Make sure you leave a little gap, and then just start to roll it. Very slowly roll it and press it down. press it down. Be careful with the glue because the glue can get quite hot. If you're using, you can use cold glue as well, but just make sure, be careful how you touch the glue and how you are with it. So there's a little gap in between there. I'm just going to add a little bit more glue. So I decided to add a bit more bling. This is nice and dry. I sprayed it because it was silver. I sprayed it black. And I decided to add a little bit more bling at the top here as me being a blingaholic. But I'm very pleased with that. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the channel, please like, please subscribe, and please press the notification bell to know that I'm in town. And from one blingaholic to another, bye for now.